A very good day to all the honorable members of this August House. Let us all rise for the national anthem. The House to note that Honorable Member Shri Joshua D'Souza has changed the seat because of Shri Madkaikar. It is only to note. There is a single point agenda today, that is the election of the Speaker of this August House. So let us start with the proceedings. The following nominations have been received by the Goa Legislature Secretariat for the election of the Speaker. Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar, proposed by Shri Vijay Sardesai, seconded by Shri Subhash Ankush Shirodkar. Second, Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar, proposed by Shri Dayanand Raghunath Sopte, seconded by Srimati Alina Saldana. Number 3, Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar, seconded by Shri Jayesh Salgaonkar. Number 4, Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar, proposed by Shri Joshua Peter D'Souza, seconded by Shri Praveen Harish Zatie. Number 5, Shri Pratap Singh Raoji Rane, proposed by Shri Francisco Silveira, seconded by Shri Wilfred Dessa. Nominations at serial number 1 to 5 are in order. The movers will now move their motions one by one. Shri Vijay Sardesai to move the motion.
Sir, I move that Honorable Member Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar be elected to the office of the Speaker of this House.
Shri Subhash Ankush Shirodkar to second the motion. The motion moved by Shri Vijay Sardesai is before the House. Shri Dayanand Raghunath Sopte to move the motion.
Be elected to the office of the Speaker of this House.
Srimati Alina Saldana to second the motion. The motion moved by Shri Dayanand Raghunath Sopte is before the House. Shri Vinoda Dattarama Palyekar to move the motion. Mike.
तांबडो येवन दी.
Sir, I move that Honorable Member Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar be elected to the office of the Speaker of this House.
Shri Joshua Peter D'Souza to move the motion. Shri Jayesh Salgaonkar to second the motion.
Sir, I second the motion moved by Shri Vinod Dattaram Palyakar.
The motion moved by Shri Vinoda Dattarama Palyakar is before the House. Shri Joshua Peter D'Souza to move the motion.
Member Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar be elected to the office of the Speaker of this House.
Shri Praveen Harish Zatie to second the motion.
Second the motion moved by Shri Joshua Peter D'Souza.
The motion moved by Shri Joshua Peter D'Souza is before the House. Shri Francisco Silveira to move the motion.
Be elected to the office of the Speaker of this House.
Shri Wilfred Dessa to second the motion.
The motion moved by Sri Francis Silveira.
The motion moved by Shri Francisco Silveira is before the House. Motions are before the House. I will now put the motion number 1 proposed by Shri Vijay Sardesai and seconded by Shri Subhash Ankush Shirodkar to the vote of the House. Those in favor will stand in their seat except for Shri Madkaikar, Pandurang Madkaikar may sit and raise his hand except for Shri Pandurang Madkaikar. Standing. Count. Atoir kela pura. Madkaikar. Standing is 22. No. No, this is already it's done.
It's okay. It's not the question.
And against the motion means please sit. Those who are against the motion may stand. Please count. 16. I hereby declare Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar is elected to the post of Speaker of the House and offer him my hearty congratulations. I request Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister, and Shri Chandrakant Kavlekar, Leader of Opposition, to escort the Honorable Speaker to his seat. Please.